Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change your Tumblr password. To change your Tumblr password, just follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your Tumblr account. Go to Tumblr login page www.tumblr.com//login. Then enter your current email or username or password. And repeat, enter your current email or username and password. Step 2. Click on your account icon. Once logged in, click on your account icon at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 4. Click on Password and click on the Edit button next to it. Step 5. Enter your current password for verification. Step 6. Enter your new password. Make sure it meets Tumblr password requirement, that is in length and complexity. Step 7. Click Save to confirm your changes. Your Tumblr password will now be updated. Remember to keep your new password secure and avoid using easily guessable information. If by any chance you forget your new password or your current password, you can reset this by clicking on the Forgot Your Password link on the login page and following the instructions. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.